whales.
Welcome to the underwater world of blue whales. Did you know that blue whales are the largest animals on Earth? They can grow as long as 3 school buses. Blue whales love to eat tiny shrimp called krill. These gentle giants can sing songs that travel for miles. Blue whales can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes. Now, let's remember all the fun things we learned about blue whales. Let's see who's next. Next up, humpback whale, where the fun never stops. Did you know humpback whales can sing? They have the best underwater karaoke. Look at those big flippers. They use them to wave hello to their friends. Humpback whales love to jump out of the water. It's like a big splashy dance party. They can grow as long as a school bus. That's one big whale. Humpback whales are great travelers, swimming thousands of miles every year. They love to eat tiny shrimp called krill. Yum, yum, yum! Now, let's say goodbye to the humpback and see who's our next friend. Here comes the wacky world of orcas, also known as killer whales. Did you know that orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family? That's right, they're big, but they're also super friendly. Orcas are like the superheroes of the ocean. They can swim really fast, up to 34 miles per hour. Zoom, zoom! And guess what? Orcas love to play. They can jump out of the water and do flips like a circus performer. Orcas are super smart. They can even work together to catch their food, just like a team of superheroes. But wait, there's more. Orcas have their own special sounds, like a secret language. Can you make a whale sound? Orcas come in different colors. Some are black and white, while others have beautiful patterns. So remember, orcas are not just killer whales. They're playful, smart, and full of surprises. Let's say bye to the orca and meet our next friends. Here comes our next friend, the beluga whale. Beluga whales are known as the canaries of the sea because they make lots of sounds. Did you know that beluga whales are white? They look like big, friendly marshmallows. Belugas love to play. They can even swim backwards and do flips. These whales are very social and live in groups called pods, just like a big family. Belugas can be found in cold Arctic waters, where they love to swim and explore. They eat fish, squid, and even some tiny shrimp. Yum, yum! Now you know all about beluga whales. Aren't they the coolest creatures in the ocean? Let's say bye to beluga whale and meet our last friend for today. Bye, beluga whale. Here comes our last friend of the day, the magical narwhals. Narwhals are special whales known for their long, twisty tusks that look like unicorn horns. These amazing creatures live in the cold waters of the Arctic, where they love to swim and play. Did you know that narwhals can dive deep underwater to find their favorite food, like fish and squid? Narwhals are very social and often swim in groups called pods, just like friends playing together. Their tusks are not just for show. They help narwhals sense their surroundings in the deep ocean. Narwhals are also known as the unicorns of the sea because of their magical appearance. Now you know all about narwhals. Let's say goodbye to the narwhal friends.
Curious Little Munchies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.